and welcome to Cooking with the Batguy and Chicken. And today we're going to be showing you a recipe for something that you eat probably every day at breakfast, but you just need to know how to go about doing it. First, you're gonna need a bowl, just a bowl, and a spoon, and of course you'll need your box of your favorite cereal and some milk. Now this could be milk or soy milk or lactose-free milk, or
sometimes even people use chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk. Mm-hmm. Chicken. Okay, Chicken. Why don't you show the kids how to open a box of cereal?
First you gotta pull this and stick your fingers in and go pop.
Pull back the flaps. Ooh, this is great. This is great. Okay, then
There's a bag inside it.
there's a bag, and this one's already been opened. See, then you gotta pour the cereal out. I'm gonna show you how to do that. And then try not to spill it. You don't want to spill it, because if it spills, then you don't get to eat all the good stuff that's in here. Okay, now this is important. Before you pour the milk, you gotta take the cap off. See, like that. It just comes right off. Then, Chicken, if you would, please.
Carefully pour it in without spilling. Not too much, but not too much.
All right, and then let's feed the chicken. What do you think? There you have it. Cereal.